welcome to class 5 computer. So we were seeing about the MS PowerPoint children. Okay, so we learned how to add clip art, okay, using the picture tools and all. So then next one we are going to see about the special effects children. There are two types of animations in PowerPoint you have. One is, see, each one is a slide children. So how you want to show the slide, okay, when you present it, no, how you want to show the slide, okay. So for that we have two options, animations are available. One is slide transition and then another one is custom animation. So one by one we are going to see. So the first one children, slide transition. As I told you, see here we have created some 7, 11 like that, we have created so many slides. So in that how we can apply the slide transition children. So these are the special effects, okay. So in the normal view what you do, first you select this slide. Go to animations children. Go to animations tab. In that, see you have so many options children. Transition to this slide, okay. So for each one we can apply children. So for this one, animations, this one we have selected. For the second one, see we will give different things, okay. Third one, so this one, and fourth one, okay. Then fifth one, see here, go to animations tab, okay children. So here the way you look the slide transition, no, that one you can apply children, okay. So for some of the things we have not added, okay, so many options are there. So like this, and then seventh one more we can add, okay. So what happens, so many are there, just 1, 4, 5 slides only I have made, okay. Now click on animation tab and you can add like this children. So slide transition, how your slide will enter and move children. So here the sound can be added, it can be made fast, slow or medium like that. And one more options you have is on mouse click children, okay. On mouse click or automatically after you want to play it automatically means you can set the timings here children. See, you can set the timings here. After 4 seconds or 5 seconds it should get on children, okay. So like that we have set now, okay. So now we will go and play for this slideshow children, okay. 1 minute, I will take out the mouse click and click for the automatically after some seconds, okay. 3 seconds like that we have set, okay. Then so see, we will see the children, see, after 3 seconds it should change. See, in this way your slide, see first one, this is your second slide, okay. Like this you have to set children, okay. See, I have fastly moved. This is the way how you introduce for your slide children. See, it has come down. So many options are there in that animations, okay. You can see it moved from left to right like this, okay. So some of the things we didn't do. So the first one again, see here. So I am pressing enter. So the way it changes children, see. So like this you can go and view animations children. See, one more I will give you. See, then fourth also. See, you can apply to all also children, okay. This one, only one animation you can, slide transition you can take and apply. So you can click apply to all. So when you play it, so see, it will come like this children. So can you see, observe this, the changes, how your slide getting, the slide transition effect has been shown here. Like this you can do children. Okay, and one more is your now I will show you the custom animation children. Okay, you only want to decide for each slide how you want to enter or exit children. So for that, see here. So first select the slide and go to animations tab. You have here custom animation children. So custom animation, a dialog box like this opens. So for this one we will add the effect children. Okay. So the first slide we have taken, then go to add effect over there. Add effect. See here, add effect. Down, how your slide can enter, how important, emphasis, exit and motion paths. 4 options are being given children: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion paths. Okay, entrance. Okay, just we are giving faded zoom. Okay, like this. And then next one, again go here. You can go and click for emphasis children. So emphasis, you can spin it. Okay, whichever object you want to animate, no, that one you select and do children. Then exit, how you want to get it. Exit like this, wheel, it will rotate and keep. Okay, then next one more is motion paths. In which way you want to picture to, left, right, up, down, like that means. Okay, so you can draw diagonal upright. See, the diagonal is moving over there like this. Now after applying this, you can play it and see children. See the options. See the entrance, it is making it to rotate, and the exit is closing like this, and the picture moves like this children. Okay, so these are the 4 options you have available children. The next one is here, you can add sound children. So go to insert sound. Okay, in that any sound file if you have kept, that one you can keep children. Okay, you can add to your slide. Okay, this is the way of adding sound children. Here no sound files are there, just I am showing the part. Go to insert and then sound children. Okay, like this you have to do. So practice it children. Okay, see you in the next class children. Thank you.